two industry-leading CRMs, but only one can take your business to the next level, which truly fits your needs. On one side, the streamlined, user-friendly HubSpot CRM, and on the other, the automation powerhouse, Keap. We're testing what really counts for your workflow. Features, pricing, integrations, customer support, and more. Forget the marketing hype, let's see what actually works. Each round, we assign points, so by the finish, you'll know exactly who wins. The verdict might just surprise you wins. The verdict might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Might just surprise you. Let's get into it. So here's the deal. We're not just going to do some shallow, surface-level comparison. Oh no, we're going deep. I'll show you a quick mind map of all the areas we're going to hit. Pricing, automation, marketing features, ease of use, integrations, and of course, support and onboarding. If you want the real scoop on which one's actually worth your time, you gotta look at all of this stuff together. Let's talk pricing first. HubSpot immediately stands out with this amazing free tier. I'm talking like not just some kind of free trial, an actual usable free plan. Plus, their pricing model is surprisingly transparent. It's not like you're playing that surprise fees lottery. Advanced stuff does cost extra, but for a lot of folks, you might not even need those upgrades right away. Keap, on the other hand, doesn't have a true free version. You do get some affordable automation and, the plan customization is pretty handy. But those add-on costs, they can sneak up on you fast. So, on pricing, if you want low or no commitment, HubSpot's got your back. Now, automation is where Keap starts flexing. I mean, their automation is like the whole reason some businesses love them. You get these pretty powerful built-in automation tools, advanced triggers, if-then logic, all of that jazz, even on the more basic plans. It's honestly perfect for small biz owners who want things to just happen on their own. HubSpot does have some solid workflow automation too, but here's the thing. You're only getting the really cool stuff if you pony up for a paid plan. On the free plan, not so much. So, in automation, Keap totally has the edge. Alright, let's move into marketing features. HubSpot shoots ahead here. We're talking built-in email marketing, ad management, landing pages, the whole lot, and it's all pretty polished. Sure, a few bells and whistles are locked behind the paid versions, but even the basics feel strong. Keap isn't slouching. It's got email and even SMS marketing, plus campaign templates that can get you up and running quickly. But if you're after really advanced marketing toys or hate seeing someone else's branding on your stuff, Keap's lower plans might bug you. Bottom line, HubSpot's might bug you. Bottom line, HubSpot's marketing toolkit just comes out on top. Quick little fact break. Did you know that HubSpot's original name was actually PSync? And Keap was once called Infusionsoft. Wild, right? Imagine trying to explain to your boss that you want to move your whole team to PSync. Okay, how about ease of use? With HubSpot First Impression, you get this modern, super intuitive dashboard. It feels like software made this century. The onboarding guides are actually helpful, none of that vague generic stuff. That said, it can get a bit cluttered if you add, every possible tool. Keap is clearly built for small business owners, and the step-by-step wizard is clutch if you hate tech headaches. But, real talk, bits of the interface do look a little. 2015? Still totally usable, but it doesn't have that wow factor. Still totally usable, but it doesn't have that wow factor. So yeah, HubSpot keeps it fresh here. Next up, integrations. HubSpot has a monster ecosystem, tons of apps, tons of direct integrations. Especially if you're big on marketing tools and want everything talking to each other with zero drama, HubSpot just crushes it. Keap covers all the business basics, and hey, Zapier support does bring it closer to a lot of other tools. But direct integrations? There's just not as many out of the box. So once again, HubSpot scores a win for being, the most social kid in class. And finally, let's chat support and onboarding. This is actually where Keap kind of surprised me, in a good way. They don't just dump you a knowledge base and peace out, you get a personalized onboarding, plus dedicated support on every plan. It's kind of a lifesaver if you want real humans to help set things up. HubSpot, meanwhile, has a massive community and resources, but honestly, actual direct support is much more limited unless you pay up. So if you like having a helping hand, Keap totally nails this category. Alright, let's pull all those points together and see them side by side in a radar chart. Now, if you're eyeballing this thing, a pattern starts to pop out. HubSpot has serious reach, especially on pricing, integrations, marketing, and how easy it is to use, while Keap fights back hard on automation and support. The strengths are pretty clear once you lay it out like this. So what's my honest take? If you're a startup or a team that needs to keep costs down but wants room to grow, HubSpot CRM's free tier and overall flexibility are hard to beat. But if you're a small business really craving built-in automation, and you love the idea of someone actually helping you on board, then Keap could be a lifesaver. Either way, you can't really lose, but if I have to call a winner, this round goes to HubSpot CRM. If you enjoyed this comparison, do yourself a favor. Subscribe for more of these unbiased CRM breakdowns. Seriously, we're just getting started.